after this video, you will be able to write the equation of a line perpendicular to a given line if I give you a point to draw it through. So you want to draw a line that goes through point -5, 4, but we want that line to be perpendicular to this line right here, y equals 5/7x plus 4. So how do we approach this? We approach this using our point slope equation, but first we wanted to find out what is going to be the slope of our new line. So the slope of our old line is, you guessed it, 5/7. But since our new line is going to be perpendicular to our old line, then the slope of our new line is going to be the opposite reciprocal. So if this is 5/7, the slope of our new line is going to be negative, since our original slope was positive. So that's what I mean by opposite. And the reciprocal, well, that means I just take this 5/7 and I flip it. So our new slope is going to be 7/5. This is our new slope. This is the slope of our new line, -7/5. It's the opposite reciprocal of the slope of our old line. Opposite reciprocal because that is the slope that is perpendicular to our original slope. And now we just plug in our point and our new slope into our point slope equation. Now if we remember point slope form, y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. And this is our equation for point slope form. And we just plug in what we have. Y minus y1, so our y1 is 4, our x1 is -5. So y minus 4 equals our slope, which is -7/5, -7/5, x minus x1. Our x1 is -5, minus -5. When you minus a negative, that means you have to add it. So x plus 5. And now, all we need to do is get our equation in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. So why don't we start with distributing our -7/5 over here. Let's go. Y minus 4 equals -7/5x. We distribute our -7 first. -7/5 times 5. So that's going to be minus 7/5 times 5. And this is a minus because this 7/5 is negative. So negative times that positive gives us a -7/5 times 5. And to further simplify, y minus 4 equals -7/5x minus, this is 35/5. And we can just write that as 35 divided by 5 is 7. So 35/5 is 7, so make that a 7. And now I'm going to add 4 to both sides to get my y by itself. So y equals -7/5x minus 3. And this is the equation of our line perpendicular to this line. So these two lines are perpendicular because they have opposite reciprocal slopes. The slope is positive 5/7. The slope of my perpendicular line is going to be -7/5.